How to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. First of all, let's navigate and open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on your profile picture at the top left to open the story section. It will open your phone gallery and you need to select a media file to upload to your story. Next, you can see close friends at the bottom. Tap on that and the story will be shared with your close friends. Now, if you want to share the story with everyone, you would not be able to change its audience directly. Instead, tap on the green icon at the top right and add all your followers to your close friend list. Otherwise, you will need to delete the existing story and re-upload it. To do this, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Now select delete and confirm the action. Next, tap on your profile icon again and select the photo or video you want to post. Tap on your story at the bottom and your story is uploaded again. And that's it. Your Instagram story is now visible to everyone instead of your close friends. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.